In this video, I am issuing a small gardening challenge. Stay tuned for the details. If you're new to my channel, I'm Denise Jordan, and I teach women to make wise home health and beauty decisions. So if you want to learn more about running a household, subscribe and tap that little bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming videos. Tapping that little bell just lets you get notified whenever I put up new content. Okay, let's get into the small gardening challenge. If you haven't guessed it just yet, the small gardening challenge is a fairy garden. I am challenging all of you to create a fairy garden. I discovered fairy gardens last year. I was late to the party, but I have now since caught up, and I love fairy gardens. So I'm inviting you to join in and create a fairy garden of your own. Here are the details. You get to decide the particulars. The only stipulation is that it must have a fairy in it. Title your video My Fairy Garden Summer 2019 and use the hashtag myfairygarden summer 2019. Now let's talk about upload dates. Upload your video on Friday, July 5th after 7 a.m. Eastern. And I will create a playlist so that you can pop your video in the playlist without any trouble. But make sure you use the hashtag myfairygarden summer 2019 in your description. That should just kind of help you populate it without any difficulty. And as always, make sure you mention my channel in your video and link my channel name in your description box, as well as the link to the playlist. And be sure to use the hashtag in your description box. So what is the most interesting thing to you about a fairy garden? Tell me in the comment section below. And just so you know, I've raised 3 children. I've managed a home for more than 45 years, and I am a nurse by profession. So if you want to learn more about running a household, cooking and cleaning and laundry and health and beauty, subscribe. I would love to have you as a member of the TNT community. In the meantime, this is Denise Jordan saying goodbye. I will see you in the next video.